Protecting healthcare workers is a major concern at Bell Medical, and we are pleased to introduce a new product from American PAPR. It's a PAPR device, which is a positive air purifying respirator that is composed of a respirator hood, a hose, and a PAPR system. This has a HEPA filter that filters 99.97% of small 3-point micron particulates. The blower actually will do 170 to 180 liters per minute. It has a battery operation that will go 15 hours. The battery can be recharged up to 500 times, and it lasts at least a year or more. The device is basically, to put it on, you basically first of all power up the device. And one of the nice things about the device is it actually has an alarm for low battery, and it has an alarm for air flow inhibition. So like, let's say we have a hose that's kinked, or that the blower battery is low, it will give you an alarm to tell you where you stand with regards to the protection that you're being received by the positive air purifying respirator. So to basically go from there, I would turn the unit on for 30 seconds prior to use, and that blows out any air, and then I would don it like this. It has an inner and an outer sleeve that can go in other protective devices. It has a headband that's relatively comfortable. The hose comes out here. Now I'm able to put on the PAPR device, and it's got a nice thick belt for the PAPR, for the blower if you will. And I have 360 degrees, or I should say 180 degrees view angle. I can hear very well because the blower is not very loud. I can actually feel the fresh air coming into my hood, so that's a comfortable feeling. And that is the American PAPR system. Now when I take this system off, I simply pull it off, and now it can be cleaned on the outside with 70% alcohol. The PAPR itself and the hose can also be cleaned. So you have a filter that lasts a year, and the hood is reusable. If you do get contaminants inside, we recommend replacing the hood, and that's at a relatively affordable price. So that's Bell Medical's PAPR offering from a company called American PAPR that is made in the United States in the Navy Yards at Brooklyn, New York. So protect your healthcare providers and also buy American from Bell Medical with the American PAPR device. Thank you.